This is what we call coffee. So this will probably be done in about 10 minutes, so I'll update you back when that happens.
Hello everybody, it's me, Mechasparrow, once again. It's almost sleepy time, sleepy sleep time, but I'm here recording a vlog, so let's do this. This is actually really good practice for public speaking, which is class in it. I'm in, and let me try to enunciate that a little bit better. I'm in public speaking class, so this is actually really good practice for it. So over here on my wonderful smartphone, I have this thing called Outline, as you can see. If it's going to zoom in. There we go. So that's my outline. So we're going to go with that, and hopefully it goes well. Alright, so I already introduced myself, so we're going to get on to the next topic. In the previous scene, I poured coffee, but then I unpoured it, and now I'm actually drinking tea. Here's a tea. I'm not going to spill it, but... So currently it is tea time. It is tea time, my friends. The time is currently 20 minutes after midnight. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, so let us go over the classes that have occurred over this week. So I'm taking 5 classes right now, which sums up to approximately 17 credit hours. So it usually where it usually goes like this. There's 3 computer science classes I'm taking: discrete mathematics, digital logic, and CS 2050. CS fingers, man. CS 2050. It's C, but with data structures and algorithms. So we started in the previous class with, and it gets more and more just dive deeper and dive deeper. First lecture last semester, Hello World. This lecture, or whatever it was, double pointers, hide a piece of data inside another piece of data. And the person who's programming it doesn't know it's there, but you know it's there. So it's getting really, really Inception, man. It's pointer. There's actually another thing called a triple pointer, but I'll go over that in a more computer science related video. So those are my 3 computer science classes. I have 2 non-computer science classes. These are Physics 2, Electricity and Magnetism, and then Public Speaking. Public Speaking, pretty dope. I'm going to be giving an informative speech on smartphones, psychological and physical effects of smartphone usage, and I'll probably be giving that either next week or the week after. I'm not exactly sure what the due dates on that are. But so there's that. The main 2 key events that I had this week were I had a physics exam on Tuesday. I had it on Tuesday, and I had a discrete mathematics quiz on Monday. Both of them actually went really, really well. I would say that the one that I struggled with more was the physics exam. 1, because it was an exam, and 2, it was definitely... I could have studied a little bit more for it, but I think overall I did pretty well. It was like a lot of puzzle solving. I liked it. A lot of puzzle solving. Um, Another thing that happened, well, 2 main things that happened was, so I started hosting, not started hosting, we had, I'm actually a leader of 2 clubs. One of them is the web development SIG at Mizzou, and the other one is the Mizzou Ballroom Club. I'm technically the vice president, but the president's out of the picture at the moment. So, you know. Anyway, so for Mizzou Ballroom Club, I hosted 3 ballroom meetings, lessons. Sundays, Mondays, Wednesdays, pretty good. Not only that, but we had a Valentine's Day ballroom dance on Friday, and it went really, really well. There was like about 14 to 16 people who showed up, and that's a lot for like good funding and just seeing people have a great time on the dance floor. So I was really happy about that. And let's see, I have more notes in my outline. This is all practice. This is all secretly practice for public speaking. So, I'm trying to think of actually stuff that might be nice to talk about as I'm looking at this outline. Not really at the moment, but I can just kind of go on a spiel. So, I was feeling a little bit more lazy this week, so I actually have this really nice camera. It's a 720p camera, and for some reason, I just wasn't feeling it this week or the last week, and I just didn't put in the effort towards like recording any footage. So, hopefully next week I'm going to make it a goal for myself to record at least one solid piece of footage every day, and then that way I'll actually have content to edit into this video. Right now this is kind of just like me talking at the camera, practicing eye contact. Usually I just have the camera like right there, so it's good. Other than that, I'm going to be starting to publish I'm going to start publishing computer science related videos hopefully this weekend. I'm going to publish an introductory video on C programming, and that's basically the plan with that. If you enjoyed this very raw, unedited form sort of thing of my vlog, usually I'm going to make these a little bit more spiffy. Be sure to subscribe, bell icon, all that fun stuff. These vlogs are going to hopefully be on a weekly basis, so I hope you enjoyed this one, and the next one will come at some point. I didn't really use the outline, but the outline's the outline. It's just a raw structure. It doesn't have to be followed. Very, not all that much here to be followed. But that's all. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Very erratic, but that's that. So this was a vlog.